Get excited about the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Jeep prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by voice-activated navigation, a power liftgate, blind spot sensor, and seat memory. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.